A very warm good morning to you all. I'm Rita of class 10th. Hope all are fine and safe at home. So today we the Navbharat family is here to celebrate United Nations Day. Every year October 24th is celebrated as UN Day for making the people learn about the world aims and achievements of the UN and for gaining their support for its work. The UN is an intergovernmental organization which aims to maintain peace and security all over the world and to develop a friendly relation among the nations and to achieve international cooperation, and it's a center for harmonizing the actions of the nations. It is the most largest, most familiar and most internationally represented and the powerful intergovernmental organization in the world. So my friends are waiting for you to say more new information about this day. So first of all, here comes Vaishnavi with a speech. And do you know what are all the 6 principal organs of the UN? Don't worry. Here comes Gauri, Manha, Dhananjay, Adisha, Basit and Rihan to say you about what are all these organs. And I forgot to say you one thing. There is a surprise quiz waiting for you. So you should watch the whole video and you should listen carefully to the all new information given by my friends. After that, you have to write the answers of that questions and send it to Pravida ma'am. Okay, so those who are sending first all the correct answers will be getting the prizes. Have a good day.
Good morning all. I'm Vaishnavi and I'm standing in front of you to give a small speech on United Nations Day. Do you know what is United Nations Day? And why it is celebrated? Because on 24th October 1945, 51 countries came together to create United Nations Day. And this was also observed by the member countries. Do you know what the most purpose was? Its most purpose was to promote peace and cooperation all over the world. And this was celebrated all year globally as a part of United Nations Week. 2020 marks of the 75th anniversary of United Nations Day on UN Day and its founding charter. COVID-19 pandemic has reminded us in a very powerful way that we are closely interconnected. By working together and socially we can build our resilience against future pandemics and other global challenges. The first event, United Nations World War II Alliance Day of Soldierly Military Parades launched by the US President Franklin Roosevelt tied the US flag 6 months after the declaration of the United Nations Day. United Nations Day was traditionally been marked throughout the world with discussions, meetings, exhibits and etc. And the Assembly recommended it to be a public holiday. So everyone, I am stopping my words here. But I invite my dear friend Gauri to speak about United Nations organ.
Hi everyone, I am here to say a few words on the organs of UN. The principal organs of the UN are General Assembly, Security Council, Social and Economic Council, the Trusteeship Council, International Court of Justice and Secretariat. Among these, I am going to say about the first organ of UN, General Assembly. General Assembly is the most important organ of UN. It consists of all the members of UN. Each member enjoys a vote and is entitled to be represented by 5 delegates. The Assembly meets regularly once in a year on the first Tuesday following 1st September. The General Assembly is known as the town meeting of the world and Parliament of the world. Its headquarters is at New York. Next, I would like to call my friend Manha to share us a few words on the second organ, Security Council.
Thank you all. Today I am here to laconically talk about one of the main organs of the UN, namely the UN Security Council. Responsible for maintaining international peace and security, the United Nations Security Council consists of 15 members and each member has a single vote. The members of the UN Security Council are divided into 2, the permanent members and the non-permanent members. The permanent members consist of the victors of the Second World War, namely the UK, USA, China, the Russian Federation and France. The non-permanent members are elected for a term of 2 years. The job of the Security Council is to check if there is a right to peace, active aggression, something the world. If things are doing well, then they have to enforce cooperation through sanctions, or if that fails through force. Let's all raise awareness on peace. As of from me, thank you. Now, I call upon Dhananjay to introduce you all to the next main organ of the UN, Social and Economic Council.
Hi friends, today I am going to talk about the third organ of the United Nations Organization, Economic and Social Council. It is the principal body for coordination, policy review, policy dialogue and recommendations on economic, social and environmental issues, as well as implementation of internationally agreed development goals. It also serves as the central mechanism for activities of the UN system. And its specialized agencies in the economic, social and environmental fields supervises subsidiary and expert bodies. It has 54 members elected by the General Assembly for overlapping 3-year terms. It is the United Nations central platform for reflection, debate and innovative thinking on sustainable development. Also responsible for the follow-up to major UN conferences and summits. The UN Charter established Economic and Social Council in 1945 as one of the 6 main organs of the United Nations. Now I invite Adisha for explaining the next organ of the UNO.
I am Padma Adisha. Today I am standing in front of you to say a few words on International Court of Justice. International Court of Justice is also known as World Court. It is located in the Peace Place of Hague in Netherlands. It is established in the year 1945 of the June 22nd and by the Charter of UN and began the work at 1946. The main two functions of ICJ is to settle, first one to settle in accordance with the international law and legal disputes submitted by the states. Second one is to give advisory opinion on legal questions, refers it to the authorized UN organ and specialized agencies. ICJ is the only one organ which is not located in the New York of USA. Now I conclude my words by calling Basis for saying
Hello friends. Now I am going to say about Trusteeship Council, which is the organ of UN. It was established in 1945. The main aim of Trusteeship Council is to protect the right of the people of non-self-governed countries. These territories are called trust territories, and the council met once in 2 years. And the headquarters of Trusteeship Council is New York. And next, I would like to invite Rehan for saying the another organ of UN.
I am Rehan from 7A. I would like to speak a few words about the last organ of UN, that is Secretariat. The Secretariat is the main administrative office of UN. The Secretariat is headed by the Secretary General. The present Secretary General is Antonio Guterres. The Secretary General is the Chief Administrative Officer of the organization appointed by the General Assembly on the recommendation of the Security Council for 5 years. The Secretariat has the important role in setting the agenda for the deliberative and the decision-making bodies of UN and the implementation of the decision of these bodies. Now, I would like to invite some of my friends for giving some quotes about UN Day. Thank you.
The United Nations, whose membership comprises almost all the states in the world, is founded on the principles of the equal worth of every human being by Kofi Annan.
Happy United Nations Day. It is the duty of United Nations to make every international border a garden, a place of art and cultural festival.
I am Nazim Mohammed from 3rd B. Knowledge is power. Information is liberating. Education is the premise of progress in every society, in every family. By Kofi Annan.
Hi friends, I am Muhammad Sanij of 3rd A. Together we can build a world we want. A world we are proud to leave our children and grandchildren. By Ban Ki-moon.
I am Razin Ishaq from 3rd C. The United Nations is our one great hope for a peaceful and a free world. Ralph Bunche.
We have different religions, different languages, different color skins, but we all belong to one human race.
Good morning to you all. I am Anisha of class 10th. As you all know, today's World United Nations Day, I am here to conduct a quiz. So friends, first of all you have to take a white paper, write your name and class on the top, and you have to write the answers of the questions which I am asking you. And you have to send the answers to Pravita ma'am soon after watching the video. Those who sing first will have a prize. So friends, let's get started. Your first question. Who was the first Secretary General of United Nations? Who was the first Secretary General of United Nations? Your second question. Who was Indian to be the President of United Nations General Assembly? Who was the first Indian to be the President of United Nations General Assembly? Third question. Who coined the term United Nations? Who coined the term United Nations? Your fourth question. Which United Nations body confers the Literacy Prize? Which United Nations body confers the Literacy Prize? Your fifth question. Who has been elected as the President of United Nations Habitat? Who has been elected as the President of United Nations Habitat? Friends, you have to send these answers to Pravita ma'am soon after writing. So, hope you all found this quiz interesting and informative. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you and have a nice day.
as weak as we are divided. No one wants war, for if war comes this time, it will mean the end of mankind. There will be no victor to enjoy the fruits of victory. We need no Napoleon, no Alexander, none of that. We want prophet of peace. Let our mother and sister come forward to save
action. Without them, there will be no world peace.
The UN promotes maternal health.
The UN combats climate change.
The UN helps people in emergency.
The UN works for peace.
The UN fights poverty.
The UN vaccinates children.
The UN feeds hungry populations.
The UN assists refugees.
The UN promotes human rights.
The UN promotes disarmament.
The UN works for primary education for all.
The UN works to prevent conflict.
Happy birthday, United Nations.